progress, y'all. Checking back in, y'all. So, making progress. The reason, I don't even know if I said this on the other clip, but just clearing up around the edges, and it's looking much better. It's so hot out here, but it's nice. It feels so good to be here. It's still early too in Alabama. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock on the dot. So that's my uncle on the tractor right there. So that's what's going on. I'll check back in with y'all a little later. We don't got too much going on right now, except trying to get this stuff up, trying to get the trees and stuff up. I'm gonna try to do a barn tour. I don't know. I'll try to do a barn tour. Maybe a little later. Definitely can show y'all the I was trying to show y'all the other side of the other fish pond, but I don't feel like walking over there, so we may have to catch that when I hop on the truck. Let's see. But no, it's a beautiful day out. I love being with my family. That's just how we are. So I was so glad to be able to come down during my spring break to hang out. That's what's going on. And out of the cousins, well, Toya just got here, but Fat up here. My boy been working hard. But yeah, so this is my family farm. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all are having a beautiful Saturday. It is absolutely beautiful. It is hot. Look at my cousin Trey. My boy got them coins. I'm just playing. No, but it's beautiful out. And we putting in some good work. Oh, shout out to Southern University College of Ag. Shout out to Virginia Tech College of Ag. But yeah, that's what's going on. Oh yeah, this is the view. What they say? Thumbnail. No, but this is one of the fish ponds. So actually, this fish pond has catfish in it, and then the fish ponds on the other side has bass and brim in it. So yeah, nobody's out fishing right now, but that's where you can find your catfish. Sometimes we used to let people come on the property and fish, but for liability purposes and for the purpose of us just not revitalizing, but getting the farm back in good shape. It's the summertime. We only allow family to come on the property and fish. So yeah, also hunt. We're gonna let people just come on and hunt because it's absolutely beautiful out here. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all what we had going on and the progress. I don't even know if I showed a before clip, but that was going on. Check back in with y'all later. Y'all, I got Fat. Fat been working hard.
Oh yeah, man.
Fat, tell the people what we got going on today.
Man, clean up day, a nice Saturday, cleaning out the back slopes of the dam.
My boy attended Alabama A&M, major in forestry.
Oh yeah, you see the heck, man.
Yeah, now he
Hey,
is
1890 Scholar.
1890 Scholar. If you don't know what that is, check it out for all undergrad students, freshmen and sophomores.
Yeah, it's available to high school students too, but it's a different application sign up.
So I could drop a link. He also works for NRCS, Natural Conservation Services for USDA. So yeah, this ag stuff run through the family. Now they come back through, so we gotta get back to work. Come on, and I mean now. Well. Your girl is head. And I look like Black Dora. You ready? She thinks she's doing something up there. Mamie, get the cord off for your trip. I'm not. You want to just answer a question? Tell the people what we've been doing today.
Working like a junkyard dog.
I have some sunflower seeds. I'm healing. My uncle's working. It's been a long day. It was productive though, wasn't it? Yeah. Very productive.
Hard work.
What?
What you gonna do?
Yeah.
What are they talking about?
Talking about the vlog. They cleared it out.
You know, trucks me that used to be in front of the house.
Hey friends, so just want to show y'all to the right. This is not official barn tour at all, but to the right is where our hay is usually stored. And then in this next clip, you'll see us trying to get a mama and her baby back inside the pasture where they belong, because somehow they got out, and so yeah, they need to get back to their assigned pasture. I'm at my auntie house, and my mom and my auntie getting dressed, and we're gonna get on the road soon. But I thoroughly enjoyed my weekend with my family. Yes.
You got your stuff out of the Toya's room?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
She gonna act
Where
like
you
she
going?
don't want it. She is going to church.
Huh?
She going to church.
Yeah, we gotta close the doors.
Anyway,
You
yesterday
come out of the bathroom, huh?
was a great day. They doing all that talking while I'm trying to record. But yesterday was a great day. Oh, I need to get my shoes up out of there.
Make sure you close the door. What's going on? All doors have to be closed.
Mamie is talking all up in my video, but it's gonna go on YouTube anyway.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were doing a video. You should have told me. Shh.
It's okay. You can be on the vlog. Anyway, we had a good day yesterday. We got a lot accomplished. It's so nice to be around family. And I think we about to get on the road. So I can check back in. Coffee? Coffee?
Where my socks at?
Come here.
What happened with it? My knee hurt. What my medicine? It's in the car.
Anyway.